This is our 2016 BMW F80 M3, and this car turned out insane. When this thing came through our garage doors for the first time, it was completely bone stock, but it didn't stay that way for long. We had wheels, suspension, brakes, cooling, carbon fiber, and a color change ready to go on this transformation build. I hope you guys are as excited as I am to kick this build off. I absolutely love F80 M3s. It's such a good car. We have carbon fiber for the front of the car. We have a huge EBC big brake kit upgrade over the factory brakes, which are already massive. We have an AWE exhaust system, carbon for the back of the car, carbon for the center of the car. We've got a steering wheel going on. We've got a KW spring kit, rotiform wheels, Falcon Ozinus RT660s, of course. This is our AWE switch path exhaust system. So we got to take the factory exhaust off, and this pretty much replaces everything from the catalytic converter's back. This exhaust should add a much deeper and louder tone over the stock exhaust system. Once we have the stock exhaust fully out, we're going to remove the valves and install them on the new exhaust system to retain the active valve system. Stance of the car, the fitment of the car is really not what we want it to be. You guys know we love slamming cars, we love making them look good, and so that's what we're gonna do to this M3 today. We have a set of rotiform wheels and Falcon tires, which I'm gonna mount up on our tire machine. Next up, we're gonna move into suspension. We have a KW ride height adjustable lowering spring kit. The M3 actually has adjustable suspension from the factory. We have like comfort mode, we have sport mode, we have like a whole bunch of suspension settings as far as the dampers go because they're adjustable, and we wanted to keep that functionality. This is gonna allow us to do that. It keeps the factory dampers with all of the factory stuff, but it's still gonna allow us to dial in the ride height, get the car looking low, get it looking how we want it to, and give us a better spring package as well. Way better. That's good.
That looks solid.
Is there a way to adjust the suspension from here? Like right here?
Sports Plus.
Doesn't feel bad, right? Oh, no rubbing? That's really good. Let me see.
Oh yeah. Wheel and tire package, it looks buff, dude. It looks sick, and it's gonna give us the performance we need out of this car, which is awesome.
We have EBC brakes, baby. We have two-piece floating rotors for the front. We have two-piece floating rotors for the rear. And for the front, we also have a 6-piston caliper for this bad boy. Let me show you. Boom, 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 boom.
Look at the venting. That's
massive.
insane.
These are 4-piston caliper, right? You have 2 and 2 on the other side. This is an even better one. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 6-piston caliper.
This new brake setup should massively improve the stock and power of this M3. Let's get all of the old brake components off so we can start installing the upgrades. Brakes in 3, 2, 1.
No, Quinn!
That wasn't even as hard as I could hit it.
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1.
And we have the boys in from Opalite. What are you guys going to be doing today?
We're doing a 900 premium star package and some pretty crazy shooting stars. First step is we got to break this thing down. Dome light, handles, pillars, everything's got to come out of the car. we just finished the headliner. We have all 900 stars and the shooting stars complete. It is time to put this bad boy back in the car, get everything trimmed up, wired up, and then you get to see the magic. The headliner is complete and installed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the app works now. So we have the app here. You can select any color that you'd like. With this particular package, you can actually do 2 different colors if you'd like. One thing that I am really proud of that we went ahead and did custom for throtl is the shooting star. So I wanna go ahead and show you the shooting star. If you don't mind zooming on in. It's pretty cool. Now that we are finished, I do want to say if you want to follow us on Instagram, we would really appreciate it. It is at Opalite Optics. If you guys have any questions or want to get booked, just shoot us a DM and I promise we'll get back to you guys as soon as we can.
Next up for the F80 M3, we're gonna continue on the trend with interior stuff. Got a blue start stop button as well as the M1 and M2 buttons on the steering wheel. We also have a set of carbon fiber paddle shifters by Keys Motorsports. We have a set of P3 gauges, have an AZA auto wheel here. So excited for you to see because you didn't like the stock wheel.
I hated it. Oh,
Yeah.
Is this the RPM reader?
Yep, we've got shift lights and we've got some other display gauges up there that we can use. I've already disconnected the battery and it's been about 10 minutes so I can remove the old airbag from the stock steering wheel. Once we have the steering wheel out, Ricky can start installing the new buttons while I transfer all of the trim pieces and paddle shifters onto the new wheel.
So all these push buttons, they come with this. It's super sticky. Push it on here. There it is. You see that? Your new start stop button. It only goes on one way. And there we go.
Now that the new start stop button is installed, we can install the new steering wheel. Steering wheel's done. That's it.
Dude,
That's
it looks nice.
It does look.
It's
really
nice that it's
huh?
everything's brand new too. It's something that you touch
The
every day.
leather looks so nice.
Yeah.
Everything about it. Let's get the battery power on.
Yeah. She is on. It's doing something. So that's good.
I missed it. I totally missed it. It just did stuff without me doing anything.
Oh yeah, we don't even know exactly how you connect everything, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
Bluetooth.
Ooh, RPM and kilometers an hour, so we need to configure that.
Dude.
Showing me coolant temp.
Fire it up.
Battery volts, boost.
Oh, it's
you got
already
boost on there?
connected.
Yeah, it's already on, dude.
Yo, that's sick. Yeah, it's already working. You don't even have to do anything.
That's it, dude. Now we're gonna move on to the final piece for the interior of the F80 M3, which is our P3 gauge cluster. So this is actually gonna replace the passenger side vent, and we have a little screen here which will give us a ton of information and readout. We're styling now, baby. Let's see.
Give it some time, bud. Hey.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
So Fabian actually has a cracked BMW software that allows him to go in and kind of move things around. He's essentially tricking the car to think that it's a later model with CarPlay. This is a 2016.
Yeah, but now we have like a 2018, 2019.
2017.
2017 is when they first introduced CarPlay.
Yep.
So now we have that. So it's still BMW software, which is cool. And we can connect a phone on here now, which is cool. But it looks very familiar. It's not an aftermarket piece, which is nice. But now everything should work.
I know we talked about a lot of different options. So this is a paint protection film. However, it's not clear. It's an opaque material.
Yeah. So this is Miami Blue.
Elite Finish wastes absolutely no time detrimming this car and getting this thing ready for the PPF installation. The S-Tech protection film is much glossier than the traditional vinyl, making it look way more like paint. It also requires way less care and maintenance than vinyl and comes with a 10-year warranty.
What a difference. You can't miss this thing going down the street. Holy crap. I'm at a loss for words. This is like, insane different from what it was when I got here.
In addition to the PPF install, the car got one more upgrade while it was at Elite Finish.
We sent these off to Bathurst. They pulled them apart, repainted the interior with a satin black finish. Now they upgraded these hexagon lights here with over 100 LEDs in them. The stock one only has 2 LEDs through a light bar. These are going to be way brighter and actually allow you to see a lot better day or night. We can change from white or yellow depending on our mood, or if it's raining out, a lot of times the yellow is a bit more effective than the white.
We have a ton of carbon fiber parts by Keys Motorsports. We also just added them to our site, so head over to throtl.com and check out all the carbon fiber components we just added. We have a carbon fiber front lip, carbon fiber front bumper splitters, mirror caps, rear wing, a diffuser, and side skirts. So I'm gonna start off with these bumper splitters and our front lip.
What I think it is? Those are taillights. Yes. This is gonna complete it.
Wow, sick knife, bro.
Thanks.
You didn't.
I mean, everyone get their fingers out of the way and I'd actually cut the box open.
Sequential LED taillights from Keys Motorsports.
Oh, dang.
That looks sick.
So these are like the GTS. The only car that came with these taillights is the M4 GTS. So it never came on an M3.
It does now. Alright, taillights are in. It is finally time for us to test them. Let me see it, let me see it.
Ready? We're gonna hit the unlock button. 3, 2, 1.
Boom! Damn, that's what's up. That's dope. What?
Oh, it's got a whole like sequence to it.
Quinn, what do we have here, brother?
We have a mix of performance parts that are gonna be going on today. We have a ton of maintenance items, and we've got some beautiful dress-up bits. We have new secondary radiators, a new oil cooler, a DCT cooler, and some Bosch maintenance parts, and a variety of engine dress-up bits. Cowls, covers, and some boost pipes need to be removed to access the valve cover, and I even have a special tool that makes pressing in the injectors simple.
Injector 5 and 6 are out. This tool is pretty cool. Never used it before, first time, and I really like it. Made it super simple.
Now it's time to install our new fuel injectors, the spark plugs, and the ignition coils. Then we can move into upgrading the cooling system on this thing.
That's our engine oil cooler. It sits up under here flat. If you ever hit any parking curbs, your engine oil is all over the floor. May or may not be the best packaging that BMW ever came up with, but it works.
All of the coolers are accessible at this point, so now is the perfect time to get them swapped out. These CSF coolers are a direct replacement for the F80 M3, and once all of the old parts are removed, the new ones fit perfectly. These last two coolers are for the liquid-cooled intercooler for the turbos. Now all that's left is to install the dress-up bits from Blackline, like the oil cap, the coolant cover, and a few other caps in the engine bay, and we also have new downstairs hardware to dress this thing up in the engine bay.
Sick. Our winner of our F80 M3 in 20 grand. His name is Jagger, AKA Jay Bains from Live Oak, California. Hey! We're gonna give him a call. He bought a bunch of stuff. He got some Mishimoto stuff. He's placed several orders. He's a throtlVIP member, which is
Hey, nice.
We got him on the line right here.
All right, hey, hello, is this Jagger? This is Ricky from throtl. I have the whole team here.
What's up, man? How are you?
What's going on?
Yeah, you won our car, dude. You won the F80 M3 and a check for 20 grand, brother.
Me?
Yeah! You won.
Me? Are you kidding? Is this a lie?
This is not a joke, man. You won.
This is not a joke.
Serious?
Yes.
Oh my god, dude! I picked up while I'm driving right now. I have.
Pull over.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey, can we FaceTime you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna call you from my number. That was one of the best reactions I think we've had.
I think so too.
All right, here we go.
One of the best for sure.
Yo! Hey!
What?
Congrats, man! You're the winner. It's not a joke.
No way, no way.
Yes.
Yeah, dude.
I don't know if you followed the Build It All on YouTube, but it is a beautiful car. You're absolutely gonna love it.
I've been looking at that thing for weeks. I'm
Yeah! I think that's probably the best reaction we've had from a winner, man, so I appreciate that. Well, congrats, man. It's a beautiful car. You're gonna love it, and we have a check for $20,000 for you. Take care of the taxes or anything else you need. Within the next couple of weeks, we'll get you down here to San Diego. I think you're in Northern California, is that right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, cool. So yeah, within the next couple of weeks, we'll get you down here in San Diego. You get to pick up your new car and a check for 20K. How's that sound?
Dude, that's awesome.
And we'll shoot you an email within the next couple days with some more info. And thanks again for being a throtlVIP. Thanks again for placing your orders with throtl. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you soon.
Peace out, man.
Congratulations. Good one. Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Have a good one.
The F80 M3 is completely finished and I love this car. I wish I was taking it home, but unfortunately I'm not. The winner is coming in a couple of days to pick up his new M3. This thing turned out fantastic. These cars are such good performance cars out of the box. Really, we only had to do a couple of cosmetic tweaks and a couple of performance tweaks to get it that much better. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below how you think our M3 turned out. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.